toilet seat, a little bit paint job, and now I'll be adding the separator permanently to it. Next step is to put these hinges on there permanently. So I have to change venue out here. That looks nice. Then I have to do it this way. We need to route a very narrow piece of wood. I always add a support on one side, so you got a little bit more surface for the router to slide on. I finished the Formica on the slide out, so the next thing is connecting the toilet to the slide out. Okay, I'm gonna locate these holes. Just to make sure that I locate the toilet at the right place, I'll put some tape here for the side, and then I'll remove the toilet and drill from the top down instead of from the bottom up. Okay. Now I've got the holes. I'll remove the slides for the time being, and then give the exposed parts of the slide out at one or two, probably two treatments with polyurethane. Is that okay? Yeah? This stinks, eh? Yeah, I know. Oh, enormous. Okay? Can I continue? Okay then. He's a good guy. I still needed to put some Formica on the toilet cabinet, and that's the part that's visible from the outside, so through the sliding door. And that's the last piece on the toilet cabinet. Let's start with this. is I needed to have a connection to the drain line. So I made a small holder out of wood with a forcing a bit the size of the fitting. That is a nice holder, and I'll attach that to the wall of the toilet, and at a later time I can connect the drain line to this part. I'm gonna glue this PVC connector to that block that I just installed with some premium adhesive. I think that it works, but now I have to let it stand for 24 hours. That looks good. Okay, let us remove that. Looks good. Then this temporary brace. That works well. So it's easy for me in a later stage when I start doing the plumbing to make an attachment here to the grey water tank. Then it's time to put the toilet in its final position. Okay, the back is attached, and now I still have to do the bottom. Okay. And we go to the van. Now, I want to make something clear, and that's this setup is somewhat of a compromise for me. I value my living space more than the cabinets, in this case the toilet or the bed, and therefore by saving 3 or 4 inches on the depth of the cabinets, I have 3 or 4 more inches to live in. Therefore, I wasn't able to put the toilet in correctly with this as a backside going in that way. That is something what I normally would have done. I didn't do that because of the space saving thing. But I would usually build a cabinet that would be then 3 or 4 inches deeper so that the toilet could go in the right way. Could be narrower then because of that. And then you have a little bit more room on the toilet. I already shaved off a little bit of the both sides of the toilet seat. Works fine, but that's up to you. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.